Hey everyone, are you ready to start making money? I'm your expert guide in binary options trading. Finally, you'll have access to all my trading secrets. Yes, you heard it right. I have launched my recorded course where I've put years of experience into one comprehensive guide. Get ready to change the way you trade binary options. After going to binarytradingexpert.com, you'll see a course button there. Click on it and you'll be redirected to another website, manishpati.com. Once there, you'll see a View Course button. Click on it and you'll be taken to the course page. Simply click on the Add to Cart button, fill out all the details, place the order, and then text me on Telegram to make the payment. Just click on the text button here and you can send me a message by clicking on the Send Message button. Okay, now get back to our website, scroll down and click on the Telegram icon to join my channel. I provide daily free trading signals that have helped many people achieve huge profits. Check out some of the amazing reviews from my satisfied members. If you're serious about earning, message me on Telegram at @BBinarySupport. You can also connect with me on Instagram. Just click on the Instagram icon here. You can message me your queries and doubts. Irrespective of my following above 1 million, I would take out time to get back to your message, even if it takes a month. My Instagram is a symbol of my success, and all these sports cars you see here were bought with my hard work in the field of trading. But that's not all. I also host live trading sessions on YouTube, and I provide real-time signals, their analysis and insights. Apart from that, you can learn a lot from the videos on my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on these valuable sessions. Don't wait to start your journey today to financial freedom. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on these valuable sessions. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. I hope you guys are doing great and have made a good profit using our envelope indicator. This video is also about the envelope indicator, how you can take trades with the help of support, resistance, and the envelope indicator. Before we start the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about this new indicator. As you can see, I have $50 in my account, and we will do some compounding with this $50. First of all, we will select the indicator. Go to Indicators and select Envelope. Then go to the settings, choose EMA for the moving average, and leave the rest of the settings as default. Click Save. Okay, now let's find our first trade for the compounding session with $50. As you can see, we have a trade on Apple OTC, and there is a resistance level. However, the candle has already moved down exactly from the resistance level, so we will avoid that trade. Let's find another trade. Okay, here we have a trade on Boeing Company OTC. If this candle gives us an entry, then we can try for an upside move. The candle has already moved up, so we will avoid that. The candle then came back and closed as a red candle on Boeing Company OTC. I placed a trade for the upside move with $50. As you can see, there was a support level and the envelope levels. There was also an engulfing pattern. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. Currently, the trade is going in our favor, but we still have 30 seconds left. The current candle turned into a green candle. Let's see. The next candle turned into a red candle, and at this point the trade is not going in our favor. But it came back, and now the trade is going in our favor. Only 10 seconds left. A few seconds remaining. And I won my first trade of the compounding session. Now, my balance has turned into $96. Let's find a trade for $96. Alright, I found a trade on FedEx OTC for an upside move worth $96. As you can see, there was a support level, the envelope levels were also aligned, and there was an uptrend as well. That's why I took this trade for the upside move from the support and envelope levels. Currently, the trade is going in our favor and the current candle will close as a green candle. But we still have 25 seconds left. Only a few seconds left. And I won another trade. Now my balance has turned into $184. Let's find a trade for $184. We have a trade on Cisco OTC for an upside move. If this candle closes near the support level, then we can try for the upside move. Alright, the candle closed near the support level and also near the envelope level, so I placed a trade for the upside move with $184. I took a slightly bad entry, but no problem, our trade is going in our favor. Only 35 seconds left. A few seconds remaining. And we won our trade. This was a risky trade, but we won. Now my balance has turned into $353. Let's find a trade for $353. Okay, on Tesla we have a trade for the upside move worth $353. I placed a trade for the upside move on Tesla OTC. As you can see, there was a support level, the envelope level was also aligned, and there was a downtrend in the background. After the candle broke the resistance level and the red candle took a retracement from the envelope level or support level, I took the trade for the upside move. Currently, the trade is going in our favor, but we still have 30 seconds left. This looks like a good win. Only a few seconds left. And we won another trade. Now my balance has turned into $664. Let's find a trade for $664. Alright, I found a trade on Boeing Company OTC and I placed a trade for the downside move. As you can see, there is a resistance level and the envelope level aligns as well. The previous candle closed near the envelope level, so that's why I took this trade for the downside move. Currently, the trade is not going in our favor, but let's see how it develops. But still, we have 35 seconds left. The candle came back and closed as a red candle, but we still have 25 seconds left. You can see the candle closed as a red candle exactly from the resistance level. Only a few seconds left. And we won another trade. I know it was risky, but we won. Now my balance has turned into $1,275. Let's find a trade for $1,275. Let's look for a trade in cryptocurrencies. However, the envelope levels don't work very well with cryptocurrencies, so we will look for a trade in currency pairs. Alright, on your USD, we have a trade. If this candle gives us entry, I will place the trade for the downside move. Alright, I got the entry and placed the trade for the downside move on your USDOTC for $1,275. As you can see, there was a resistance level, and the envelope level also aligns with it. That's why I took this trade for the downside move. When I placed the trade, the candle was taking resistance from the level and moving in our favor. Still, we have 30 seconds left. Only a few seconds remaining. And I won my trade. Now, my balance has turned into $2,448. Let's find a trade for $2,448 for the compounding session. Let's look for a trade in stocks again. Alright, we have a trade on McDonald's, but the candle already turned into a red candle, so we will avoid that. Let's look for another trade in currency pairs. Okay, we have another trade on your USD, but the candle broke through the levels, so we'll avoid that. Alright, on GBP odd, we have a trade for the downside move. I placed the trade for the downside move, as you can see. There was a resistance level, and the previous candle was also taking resistance from the resistance level and the envelope level. That's why I took this trade for the downside move. You can see a downtrend as well. Currently, the trade is going in our favor, but we still have 30 seconds left. Only a few seconds remaining. And I won another trade in the compounding session. Now my balance has turned into $4,700. I've already made a good profit just by starting with $50, so we'll stop here. You guys can also make a good profit by using the envelope indicator, especially if you combine it with support resistance. If you're new here and want to join us, the link is in the description, where we provide daily signals, and it's completely free. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts about the video. Also, don't forget to participate in the giveaway. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.